Hello, my name's Lux Modestin, and I'll be taking you through a man-in-the-middle attack using Ettercap and Driftnet so that we're able to sniff the packets that are flowing through our network and pick out the pictures or images that's being transmitted to different recipients. So really what we're going to be doing is we're going to be able to see in real time the pictures on any individual's computer that may be surfing the web on our network. So let's take a let's go ahead and dive right in. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off, because we do have to make some edits to the configuration file of Ettercap, and all we would have to do to edit that is just type in the following command, then the directory, okay. Alright, great. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to this line right here, EC underscore UID, and we want to change that value to 0. You want to do the same thing to the value of GID as well. Now you can use Control F to find, and you want to put in IP tables. Scroll down here. Now these two comment marks here have to be deleted to activate those lines of code. And then you want to press Control S to save, and then you can press Control Q to close the window if it's too big like mine. Alrighty. Now that we did the configurations, let's go ahead and start Ettercap. And to start Ettercap, we would just type in the following command, which is just Ettercap hyphen capital G. Now you want to go click options and make sure that promiscuous mode is on. If it has a check mark there, that means it is. Then you want to go over to sniff and select unified sniffing. Now it's going to prompt you to select which interface. If we had a wireless card connected to this this actual machine, it would show up here, or if we had another network LAN card, it would show up here. We only have one, so we'll just click that one. So now that we selected the correct interface, you want to come over to hosts, scan for hosts, and it should prompt you a number of hosts. You can even view that list by clicking host and then host list. Now if you feel like you're satisfied with that list, you got enough victims, you can just continue with the process, or you can just run that again and wait till you actually catch a victim into your network. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to continue, because this is my home network. I know all these PCs that's on the network. And instead of selecting a target or the router, I'm going to just leave it open so that anything that flows through the network would show up. Then you want to click the MITM, which means man in the middle, and you want to click ART poisoning. You select this option right here, that's sniff remote connections. Press OK. So you'll notice that any connection from anywhere will be included in this sniff. Now we want to open up another terminal, and we want to select Driftnet hyphen I, and then the interface that we selected earlier. Alright, and now we just open up the Driftnet window just so we can see the images that are coming up. Alright. Now I have it running on a virtual machine, so I'm going to split it up so that we can see the actual machine, and we should be able to get the images off the actual machine through Kali here. Now the tool we're using here is Driftnet, but the OS is Kali. I have Google Images up, but you don't have to go to Google Images. We can go to another website like mad.com. We can see that that works already. If we go back to Google Images, we can pull up the images from any website that we really visit here. Let me see, click nature, and some nice pictures here. And they start to just pull up in the window. So any kind of window, or I'm sorry, any kind of images that pull up on a victim's computer, we'll be able to see on our computer. It's taking some time because these are some pretty high def videos, pictures. But that's it. Now, so ways to prevent this, I can't stress enough. You can't uh, sign on to free Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi that's not something that you are familiar with, because if you notice, the premise for this was to be on the same network. So that's really the safest way to keep yourself out of trouble, is to always connect to a secure network. And thank you for watching.